Why do so many health enthusiasts swear by Sago for summer snacks? Let's dive in and find out. Sago, also known as sabudana, is a staple in fasting foods and snacks. But is it really good for you? First off, sago is made from the starch extracted from tropical palm trees or cassava roots. It's packed with carbohydrates, making it a powerhouse for energy. Now the big question, is sago hot or cold in nature? Good news, sago is actually cooling. In Ayurveda and traditional medicine, it's known to help cool the body and balance excess heat, making it an ideal summer food. So what are the health benefits of sago? It helps cool the body, preventing heat-related issues like acidity and dehydration. It's a quick energy booster, perfect for those midday slumps. It's easy on the tummy, making it great for digestion. Plus, it's gluten-free, a bonus for those with gluten intolerance or celiac disease. Wondering how to enjoy sago? Try sago khichdi for a light meal, or sago kheer as a sweet, cooling dish. And for a refreshing drink, blend soaked sago with coconut milk or buttermilk. But hey, while sago is fantastic, it's also high in starch. If you have diabetes, enjoy it in moderation to avoid spiking blood sugar levels. And remember, too much of a good thing can lead to weight gain. So, now you know, sago is cooling and comes with a bunch of benefits when eaten right. Have you tried any sago recipes? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and food insights. See you in the next video.